Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this channel with Daniel Light, today I'll be putting you through on how you can get a free funded $100 forex account to trade, free capital for you to trade the market without you risking your own money. And there've been withdrawal proof which I'll be showing you in this video, and I'll advise you not to forget to click on the subscription button, to subscribe, and don't forget to like the video so you can always get more of this video and get notified anytime I drop any information. As we can see on the screen, the name of the broker is GOFX. So we proceed to put in our first name first, and make sure you put in your name according to how they appear in your passport or your voter's card or your national ID card, in which you'll be using to verify for this account. So you put in your last name, and here you go, you put in your Gmail. So I have to blur this part out so that YouTube won't take down the video. So here at this point you select the country where you are from. So I had to put in Nigeria, so I can just use this video to explain to you guys. So put in your phone number, your verified phone number, which they will send you a code through message. Once you click on next, you have to set a password, a login password through which you use to log in to their site. Here we have on the screen, as you can see me putting the password, trying to make sure the password is up to the requirement needed. And also in the next box I have to confirm the password which I put in first, to make sure it's the same thing, to make sure I put in the right one. Here as you can see, I'm already putting in the password, and then you click on confirm password settings. Then you proceed. Now they've sent a message to your Gmail. Okay, from here, as shown on the screen, once you click on that icon that has the arrow showing on it, once you click on it, you'll be directed to your Gmail, where you would have to just verify your Gmail to be sure you put in the correct one. And on the other way around, you can just head straight to your Gmail, open it, and there's a message waiting for you there already, where you just have to click on a spot that would make sure that would enable your Gmail to be verified. As you can see on the screen, I've been verified successfully, and I've been directed to their main site, where I will have to verify my details. I have to put in my details to confirm them. I put in my first name, as you can see on the screen. I put in the first name, put in the middle name, put in the last name. As I said before, make sure it's the same thing with what you have on either your national passport, if you are using your voter's card, or your national identification card. So you put in your gender, you put in your marital status, you put in your nationality. Like I said before, I have to put in Nigeria here, just to use it to open this account for you guys, so I can prove to you guys. And also you put in your date of birth. After here, as you can see, I put in my date of birth, and also select my age range, and here you put in your educational level. And then you head to this spot where you're asked if you're an American citizen. You click on no, since we are using a Nigerian registration, and you agree to the terms and conditions. Then you click on complete. Then you'll be taken to the next step, where you see account opened successfully. Account have been opened, and then you confirm your identity. This is where you have to verify your identity. I'll be showing you how you should do it in order to avoid being stressed in verifying your identity. First of all, we have to first verify our phone number. You click on confirm, put in this captcha. You put in the captcha to just to prove that you're not a robot. You put in the captcha correctly according to what they brings for you. They won't bring the same thing as mine here. You put in the correct captcha according to what they bring to you, and then you click on the send OTP, where they will have to send you a code. They will send you a code through text, and this is, as you can see in the video, I've received mine, and I just have to confirm it here. So with that I've been able to verify my phone number. And the next one, you have to upload your documents to prove your country, like just to verify the account. As you can see here, you put in your address. You have to put in address here. As we can see on the screen, I just put in mine, and put in the state where you're from, or just but just make sure everything is the same thing as what you have on your documents. So you click on save profile information. It's loading and the profile has been saved successfully. And now next thing we need to do is to upload our document. I'll be showing you how you need to do it to make sure in order for you to get verified. So you can see the options down. You have to either you use your national ID card, your passport, or your driver's license. You can see it here on the screen. Those are the recommended stuff you need to put. Right now, as shown on the video, this is how you should submit your document. You should put the national ID card on a plain paper, drawing a line, writing the statement used to open a trading account with GOFX.com only. You put in your signature, your name, and the date in which you are submitting the document. For example, as you can see on the screen, this is how it should be. And another way around, you can just head straight to CapCut, put in the statements you are required, and your name, your signature, and the date you are submitting the document. So once you get verified, you head into the login site and you click on this part, the MT5 account. You click on get bonus, $100 bonus. Then if you've been verified, you can only get this bonus once you've received a verification message that you've been verified. Like once you click on the get bonus, the bonus will be credited into your MT5 account. As you can see the details here, down here, it's been credited. The trading type is promotion account. Type of trading platform MT5. You can only trade it on MT5. Bonus type bonus, $100 account. Currency, you have USD for the currency, and the leverage is 1:500 as shown on the screen. And the next part, as you can see, this is proof that it has been deposited in the account. You can see that's what I circled there. I circled it out. It's been deposited in the account. You've been credited $100 into the account. And the next part here also, it's a message will be sent to your Gmail. The login details for the MT5 will be sent to your Gmail here right now. Immediately once you just make sure you are verified, make sure you receive a message from them that you've been verified. I'll be showing you the type of message, and then you also receive the MT5 login details. Also drop your complaints in the comment section where I would interact with you guys more, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can always get more of these videos. Welcome.